Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To the fan. Yeah. It's gonna clean the bike off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Don't mind me. Just picking my bike up.
Oh, you dropped?
No.
Hey, look! He dropped!
No, no I didn't. No I didn't.
He dropped first!
Yes.
Yes, better.
Like, it's fun once you get used to just cracking it. Oh, fuck, it's tall. Is this a parallel twin or a 90 degree?
90 degree V, same as yours.
So,
That's what you want all bikes to be, eh?
well, honest to Christ, man, like, it's just everything I hit on my Strom that I'm hitting with this would be like earth-shatteringly rough. And like I could do it, but it sucks. And then you use this fucking thing, and it's just smooth.
And you can do it at speed, and you feel confident.
Yeah, yeah. This is.
Beautiful bike.
This is.
The ABS off?
I think it's in sport mode anyways, or not sport mode, off-road mode. Does that turn off the ABS front and back? Because it has ABS mode too, right? Yeah. So let me see here. There we go. ABS off-road.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Front is on. Yeah. Cool. How do you like that?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
The motor feels powerful. Gears are too close.
Right. It's over already?